Thank you. So one way to implement, let me give you one example where I implemented self-honesty recently and I saw tremendous change. Okay? I used to be close to 90 kilos, now I'm just above 70, close to it, almost 10 kilos I lost. Now, many people ask me, in fact, yesterday I was at the office, frontier office, and somebody said, you look like a different person now, you lost so much of it. What did I do is, very simply put, I became self-honest in my eating habits. Okay? Just see this one thing and then you'll understand how to implement it in every area of it. Self-honest in my eating habits. That means what? Only when I'm hungry, I will eat. Very simple. But conditioning will keep running. There is food, you eat. There is that, you eat. Somebody puts on the plate, no, you should not waste, so you eat.
Beautiful, okay, then?
Love is life.
Love is God. Love is life. Love is giving.
Caring.
Caring. Okay, you said caring, loving, beautiful. Put it in a hierarchy. He said God also. Which comes on top?
Love yourself.
Love yourself. Love is, in all religions, across the globe, they'll say the highest statement is, of course, I don't disrespect the other statements. When insufficient feeling about one's own self, is it there? Accepted? The starting point has to be accepted because you did not create it. How many of you chose your own parents? What a ridiculous question. See, so you have to accept them, isn't it? Maybe you have a desire that next birth you will be born as a son or daughter of Ambanis, that is different. That also is not needed, I'm just saying, giving you an example. So you are happy with everything. So you are ready to accept the past and ready to move on, right? And create the kind of life that you want to create within that 30, 40, 50 years, whatever. Right? Clear? Shall we move on? Right. See, Stephen Covey talks about the necessity to practice win-win.
Has to come. I don't care about the feelings. My work has to be done. That is win-lose. That is opposite. That is a different type of programming. That is, somebody has programmed you saying that it's okay in life if you have to win, you have to stamp over other people. You have to fight over things. You have to boss over people. You have to be aggressive. If other people lose, so what? You are winning, no. You are secure, no. That is what you need to focus on. That is also wrong program. Being a doormat, being a candle means lose, win. You are losing and making other people to win. Being bossy, being aggressive means you are winning while at the cost of other people losing. While at the cost of other people.
When you say love, love goes to you also. Does it mean love everybody else in the world except you? You have all taken a flight, right? As soon as you board, that sweet voice, air hostess will announce. And the oxygen level goes down in the cabin, a mask will come down. Does she say first you apply it to your son or daughter or your sweetheart? First apply it to yourself. Is it right? You love your son so much, daughter so much, your spouse so much. Should you not apply it first to them? Only if you are alive, will you care, can you care for somebody? Survival instinct is there, but that is not the boss. The love that you are, that is contained deep within you in every cell of your body and still in the energy level, is the determiner. It is not the body, it is not the survival instinct. They are still your instrument. You can kill your body for the sake of a higher value, isn't it? In the freedom struggle, Gandhiji proved it. Jallianwala Bagh. They opened fire. A moment of great courage. They said, open fire, come on, no problem. We'll give this body for the sake of a higher cause.
What we're going to do is, we're going to do a quick exercise, right? Where we are going to see, why did the other person behave that way? Let's say there was a situation where the other person embarrassed you. Have you been hurt? Somebody has embarrassed you, somebody has caused you pain, somebody has caused you, angrily they have done. Now, why did they do that? Because they they responded from their conditioned way of behaving. It was a survival drama. They wanted to respond that way because that's how they've been. Feel that feeling encompassing the entire planet, all the 7 billion people and all the species, all the plants, just covering the entire planet. Feel that expansion, feel that powerful feeling of unconditional love. Deep within, forgive yourself and feel that 100% love for yourself. Feel that feeling of happiness and joy of loving yourself completely, with which you want to give to the world. Without charging money also you can give. Like for example, if you ask me, look, I did engineering, I did MBA, I studied and all that is fine. I worked in corporate world for 18, 19 years. But today if you ask me, Govind, if you had all the money all the time, what will you do? This is what I'll do. I'll do mentorship, I'll do training, I'll do, speaking to people and helping them experience the truth. Because I have experienced the truth, I'm just sharing. That's all. That is my, so that's what I want to. What is so special?
Others to improve themselves if they don't want